Hey guys, I hope you're all well. You know, we've talked a lot this week about hip replacement and hip pain, but how do you know that the pain you're having around your hip is actually from the hip joint itself? Well, I'll tell you. Anytime I see people with hip pain, I ask them this question first. Is the pain you're feeling in your front pocket or in your back pocket? Now, if you say that the pain you're having around your hip is in your front pocket, most commonly that pain is coming from the hip joint itself. In fact, greater than 90% of the time that's the case. But if you say the pain you're having in and around your hip is in the back pocket, that pain is typically coming from the spine. You know, we call the spine the great imitator. Pain radiating from the spine can cause hip pain, knee pain, ankle pain, and so much more. So, are you having hip pain? Really, are you having hip pain? Pain that's from the hip joint? Is it in the front pocket of your hip or somewhere else? I hope we can help you. I hope this video helps. Have a great day.